Hello all, back with another video here. This time I'm going to show you guys the front diff in this 2006 Ford F-150. I haven't taken note of the diff model yet. I'll probably write it in the descriptor of this video. Anyways, as everyone probably knows that's tried to do the oil change on this diff, it's a pain in the ass. Because you either end up with the diff out of the truck like I have, which, I was doing an engine anyways, so whatever. Or you got to try and get that cover off with it tucked up in there, and that's kind of painful. You probably wonder, why the fuck did Ford not put a drain plug hole in it? Well, since I have the cover off, I can show you guys where to drill the hole. Now remember, if your diff breaks, that ain't my fault. Do this at your own risk. If it blows up mine, I'll post something in the YouTube again. Probably see a great video of it exploded, but I doubt it. This is pretty hefty meat right here that I'm drilling through. This is like creeping up on an inch thick, maybe 7/8. There's a lot of meat there where I'm putting that hole. You'll probably get a little bit of fluid that'll still stay down here. If you have never serviced your diff, you should take the cover off, because you'll end up with a bunch of black goo that kind of looks like that in the bottom of it. And you want to get all that out. But if you're just doing regular service, having a drain plug's kind of handy. So here in my collection of drill bits, I found a 1132. To drill this out properly, I believe that was exactly the drill bit for a what is this, 1/8 on 27 NPT, and that's just the little plug that I had laying around. You can get these plugs at your local hardware, parts store, whatever. I think this is just a little brass one. Should be happy with the aluminum. I'm still going to put some goo on it to keep it in there. I'll probably actually use thread locker, honestly, so to make sure it fucking stays in there. But yeah, you drill a pilot hole with a little drill bit. Make sure you have, if you're under your truck and you're doing this, you could probably get away with this without getting too much crap in the diff if you're drilling this from underneath. Remember, you're going to get oil all over you if you're doing this with oil in it. I had mine out, so I put the vacuum in there and sucked all the crap out while it was being drilled. But you could put a vacuum beside it while you're drilling to try and pull any filings down and out while you're drilling. You may or may not get all of it out, especially while you're tapping. But you can use this 1132. You could probably also go up to 23/64, one size higher. I had to go real deep with this tap to get that plug to fit in as far as I wanted. I had to go almost all the way with the tap, probably at least 3/4 of the way in. So you could probably bump up one drill size. Like I said, 23/64. Anyways, that's kind of where you want it. I'll show you on the bottom what it looks like. Hold on a moment. Alright, so this is the bottom of your diff, and that's exactly where that hole is. Kind of right in this area. Maybe your center mark would be 1 inch to the right and about 1 3/4 inches from the face of the diff housing. Pretty straightforward. Put your plug in. Put some shmoo on your plug, whatever you like. I'm going to use blue thread locker, and then fill her back up. You'll be good to go. All right, till the next one.